Hey guys, we're doing the teams now for the 7-box break. It's 6:42 and 45 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll. Run 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Teams now. 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now we'll go through the teams. Datum with Pelicans, Jared Broadbent with Mavericks and Heat, Nathaniel with Nuggets, Daly Pistons, Dadian Suns, Van Houten Kings, Lanyon Celtics, Sean Thon Nets, Lanyon Magic, Harry Hawks, Sean Thon Warriors, Van Houten Bulls, Glenbow Lakers, Charles Chaz Hornets, Van Sanderson Knicks, Johnny Deacon Blazers, Lanyon Pacers, Van Houten Thunder, Jared David Spurs, Lanyon Clippers, Glenbow Wizards, Richard Dudley Wolves, Ben Soy with the Jazz, Michael Van Houten with the Rockets, Harry with the Sixers, Marco Conjar with the Bucks, Glenbow with the Cavs, Van Houten with the Raptors, and Michael Paul with the Grizz. And that is the team lineup. And you can all have, I don't know, a bit of time to trade if you want to. And I'll be back shortly.